next is this. So gagawin lang natin is gagamitin din natin yung we use this formula to find the slope for these points. So alam na natin yung anong y sub x sub 1, ito yung x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. So ikuan lang natin kung ano yung so is equal to anong y sub 2 is 5 minus yung sign. The y sub 1 is 1. Open parenthesis lang natin kasi negative over 4. Ang x sub 2 is 4. So x sub 2 so 4 minus x sub 1. What is x sub 1? So 2 is equal to 5. So multiply natin para paalis yung negative sign. So magiging 5 plus 1 over 4 minus 2 is 2. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So 6 divided by 2, so our slope is our slope is 3. So this is the first points is our slope, and the second points is slope. So I hope you learned something from today, and thank you for watching.